Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix website not secure on Shopify. So first, you may want to head over to your admin page on Shopify. And from here, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, click on Online Store. This can be found at the left panel. Then next, beside your current theme, click on the three dot icon, then click on Edit Code. Next, in the left panel, click on Layout, then Theme.liquid. Then from here, just press on Control plus F. And from here, just type in this code. And from here, we're just going to give this two space. Just press Enter. And we're going to copy this code. You can pause the video to copy this code. So we're just going to copy this and we're going to paste it here in between. So once everything is done, just click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!